My name is David A. Vucalja. The name of our firm is Vucalja and DePaula, and we handle civil litigation of just about every form that there is, primarily personal injury litigation and business litigation. The opportunity to get a result for a client that may change their life is compelling, because you have people who arrive at our office who have gone through a traumatic experience and may be suffering greatly, both physically and economically, and they're confused and scared, and you have to help them rebuild everything. And when you do that, and you do that successfully, and they hopefully come out on the other end with a good result, that's about as gratifying as you can get.
Clients hire us because of the reputation that we've built in this community over the years. We're known for being hard fighters. If there's multiple trials, multiple appeals, we go all the way, we never back down, and we're going to see the case through to the end. Our current and past clients would say that they trust Vucalja and DePaula, that they know we care about them because we go all out to make sure we recover justice for them, and they feel that. We become like family with a lot of our clients. We get to know the clients on a deep level, because that's really important when you're presenting the client's case, to get to know the client well, so that you can tell the story about of their life and how the injury or whatever it is that they came to us for to begin with has impacted their life.
Client communication is critical. We return telephone calls and emails promptly, because a client should never go long at all waiting to hear what their attorney is doing.
A lot of times clients involved in litigation feel anxious, uncertain, they're confused, there's a lot happening. It's all coming at them very fast. They have a lot of questions, a lot of concerns. And so we're there for the client to make sure we answer all those questions, to make sure we shed light on the path in front of them, so that they don't feel like they're walking into dark and scary places without a guide.
What makes our firm different from other firms is that we are local. We've specialized in this area. We've also practiced throughout the country in both state and federal courts. But again, we are passionate about representing our clients. We take an interest in them. Many of our former clients are friends to whom we communicate with to this day. We are a small firm, and the advantage of having a small firm is I personally work on your case. Mr. DePaula personally works on your case. Your case and the preparation of that case, the appearance at court, trials, writing of appellate briefs, those are handled by the two of us, not someone else, not a paralegal, not a secretary.
A big part of presenting your case is getting to know your story, getting to know your family members, how your life was before the event that brought you to us to begin with compared to how it is now. And if you're in a big firm and have too many cases to do that, then you really take away from the kind of justice you can get for a client if you're not getting to know them on that personal level.
For those who have been injured or arrested or find themselves in that sort of a predicament, they have to consult with counsel. That's all there is to it. The complexities and vagaries of the law are too much otherwise for people to try to go it alone. There are too many traps along the way that others could take advantage of against you if you're not aware of them and wary of them. During the initial consultations here at Vucalja and DePaula, all we do is talk to people. We don't put contracts under their noses. We don't make them sign things. We explain the circumstances to them. We let them know what they've got to look forward to. We let them know the attorney-client relationship and where that goes. And we give them all the opportunity in the world to make whatever decision they want to make. And there are occasions when we're not the perfect people for the job, and we'll tell them that. And we'll tell them who is the perfect person for the job. Our firm is tenacious, hardworking, extremely loyal to our clients, and we're not satisfied until we've gotten the best outcome for them.